Forget about your countless Excel spreadsheets and logging into 10 different email platforms to make sense of your email revenue. The revenue summary is your go-to report to break down the revenue for any time period, especially great to quickly see your email revenue broken down by email list. Once logged into your Klarifi account, click on Revenue from the left navigation sidebar, and then click on Revenue Summary. Here you'll see a high-level breakdown of revenue per day, week, and month, compared against the averages for those same date ranges. Want to see a detailed revenue summary breakdown for a given day or time period? Either click on a day or date range that already displays on the page, or scroll down to the bottom of the page, select your date range, and then click on the refresh button. And then click on the revenue figure to get your detailed breakdown. Here you'll see your revenue broken down by many things like internal lists, partner lists that you manage for clients, and more. In this example, we'll click on Internal, and then Get Response. And you'll see the revenue and clicks for all internal Get Response lists broken down by each email list. Want to drill down even further? Click on View Offers beside a list to see the revenue and click Breakdown for that list by offer. The Revenue Summary Report is a great way to be on the pulse of your email revenue, to understand what lists are responsible for the revenue, quickly also by identifying which lists perform well, and maybe conversely, which didn't perform so well in a given date range.